Hello, I'm Sam from My Mortgage Angel, and today I wanted to talk about residential mortgages and how the lenders calculate how much you can borrow, because it can be very frustrating if you pay X amount of pounds in rent each month and you've been paying that for months or years, and then a lender tells you you can only borrow X amount of pounds where the mortgage payment is far cheaper than you have been paying. So just to explain about how they work. Residential mortgages, how much you can borrow is calculated by, all of the lenders have their own rules, but they take the income that you've got, so your earned income. We can look at basic income, we can look at overtime, we can look at bonuses, we can look at commission. Any income that you get from your job, we can look at. Any self-employed income that you have, if you have 2 years worth of history for that, most lenders require a 2-year track record of that, and they require a tax calculation and tax year overview to evidence that income. We'll take that into account. If you have any investment income, maybe from buy-to-let properties, we can look at income from there. You might have non-earned income, so you might have benefit income from the government, or there might be maintenance income, or there might be income from another source that I can't think about right now. But anything you get in, we can look at, and all the lenders have different rules around what they will accept and how they use calculations on that. So that's all the income that you've got for all the applicants on the mortgage. We then look at your fixed outgoings. So what debts have you got? Your credit cards, your loans, your car finance agreement, any pension contributions maybe that you're making through salary sacrifice at work, or any maintenance commitments that you've got to pay out. Also any ground rent and service charge that you have to pay, or any fixed property costs that you're paying out. So we're looking at what you've got coming in, what you've got going out. We put all of those details into each lender's affordability calculator, and then out pops the figure, the magic figure of how much that lender thinks that you can borrow on a sustainable basis. Then we look at how much the mortgage might cost on a monthly basis for you to pay it back. Typically residential mortgages would be on a repayment basis. So each month part of your payment would pay back part of the capital that you borrowed, and part of it would be paying back the interest that's accrued on it. And it's not level, that the interest each month is not level across the whole mortgage. Typically you pay more interest at the beginning of the mortgage, and then as time goes on you pay less interest and more capital. But again, each mortgage can be different, so do look at the deals, the details of what you're taking out. The mortgage lenders can and frequently do change their mortgage rates or mortgage products that are available, and those products are only guaranteed on the day of quotation, because as I said, providers can change their rates every day if they want to. So you should always talk to a whole of market mortgage advisor to see what rates are available on that day. So the way we work with clients is we have a conversation at the beginning, we look at your situation, we gather your paperwork, and we work out the affordability, and we work out which lender might be the right lender for you at that time, depending on your situation. Then as and when you've found a property, you've had your offer accepted, we have another conversation, we go back to the affordability to make sure that your situation is still the same, or if there's any changes then we might be looking at different lenders. We're then going to be looking at rates and what rates are available on that day and which providers would be better for you. So ideally we're looking at the cheapest mortgage available, and then make sure that that fits your situation. If that cheapest mortgage doesn't fit your situation, we then look at the next cheapest mortgage, and then to see if that suits your situation, so that we're matching you with the right mortgage lender on the right rate on the right day. So we're a bit of a matchmaker really. If you've got any questions about mortgages or life insurance, there's a whole series of videos around life insurance available as well. So we'd love to hear from you if you've got any questions at all, or want to talk through your personal situation, then we'll be glad to help you. Thank you for watching. I am Sam from My Mortgage Angel. Have a good day.